Hi Alana, this is your first video tutorial. I've already signed into the back end of the site at freshstudio.ca/administrator. Use your login and password and you get to this page, the control panel. And what we're going to do is manage our articles. And in this tutorial specifically, we're going to be looking at how to upload a photo that's on your hard drive. So we're going to just sort the articles by their title name, and I'm just going to drag the window down here. So yeah, we've got display all, so we can see them all there. And what we're looking at for this one is home, fresh sheet, and I've actually named it December. So what I'm going to do on this one is teach you how to do January's fresh sheet. So we're going to click on that one, and it opens up the editing window. What I'd like you to do is, I'm in Firefox right now, so I just have a plus sign for a new tab. You would go to File, New Tab, and create a new tab, and then use your bookmarks if you have them. Mine is here to open up another window of administrator window, and you're already signed in on this one. And what we're going to do with this one is we're going to add a new article. So rather than what we did with this month, which was erase all the data from the current fresh sheet and then start over, what we're going to do is we're going to copy it and paste it into a new one so that we don't lose this one, because it's got a lot of formatting and stuff in it. So what I just did was click the Show Hide button here. So what you can do is just highlight all of this and hit Command-C, and that copies it. And then if you go to the new article, click the Show Hide so that you've got the same code, and click Command-V, and that pastes all the same code in. And then click the Show Hide again, it shows you how it looks to people on the website, which is exactly the same as it did for December. And then you would just name it again. The page is home. It is the fresh sheet, and it's for January. We're always going to give it the section of home. We're going to have it published, and we're going to have a front page yes. So then you can see we've already got this graphic for the fresh sheet, and then we just have to change this to January, and then just type in your whatever's happening for January. So that's what you would do for January. For December, I'm just going to go back to our original one where we've got fresh sheet, December's fresh sheet. I put in all the information. Here we are from the fresh sheet information that you gave me. I just want to see what it looks like with that picture of that woman's feet in the bath down below, and in so doing we'll show you how to upload a photo. So don't use the ones down here. We use the photo insert edit image icon up at the top. That brings up this window, and this is where you want to get your photo to be. For instance, that fresh sheet photo is in here somewhere right there. That's the fresh sheet image that we used at the top. The one we want to use though is on your hard drive because it's not up there yet. So this is the upload button. So we want to upload a new photo to the site. You click the add. It pops up your Finder window. And so you would just find your way to wherever you have the photo. If you've saved it on your desktop, I have a specific file folder for Fresh Studio. Here's the fresh sheet for December. Oh, look how organized I am. And then it's called Feet Small. I'll show you that in the preview there. So I click Open, and so it shows it in there. Now we have to upload it. So we click the Upload button. And once the check mark appears, then you can get rid of this window. You can see that it's there now. So what you want is going to insert the photo whose name appears in this URL. Even though this is all highlighted and shows it here, you actually have to click on the words, and boom, see it changed it to that one. It shows you the dimensions are 400 by 225. The column that it's going in, I think, is about 369. It's just under 300 pixels. So you can see this is clicked, so it's proportional, so it keeps the aspect ratio of the photo. So what I want to do is make it a little bit smaller, go down to 300, and then I click in this box, and you'll see it changes, snaps it to proportional. And that's all you have to do. Now just insert it, and look, isn't that lovely? And I want to center this photo under the text. So I just click on it, and then click on the center, align center button here. Boom, it gives a little space there for some reason, so I'll just do that for the space. I actually want, I'm going to see how that looks with the rest of it not centered, but that one centered. And the way we do that is we'll just click apply, so it'll save the change, but it'll keep us on that window in case we want to make any more changes to it. And then back up here, I've already got the front end opened in another tab. So click on that tab, and you can see there was nothing there. It had been blanked out before. So click the refresh button, and there's the article, falls right into where it's supposed to be, the fresh sheet. And it's got the photo and everything. And you know what? I kind of grooving on this stepped up business. Normally I would like to see those be of similar length. So you might want to, it's up to you, you can edit out a couple of lines of this to bring that up, or you could choose not to have the photograph. You sort of play around with that yourself. And if you just decided that, then just go back to the back end tab and scroll down, highlight the photo, and erase it. But I think it looks nice, so we'll keep it for now and see what you think. Enjoy the video, and enjoy playing around with your new website.